Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a look at the stock Zomedica Corp, ticker symbol ZOM. But as always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Zomedica Corp, a development stage veterinary diagnostic and pharmaceutical company, engages in the discovery, development, and commercialization of pharmaceuticals for the companion pet. Its lead drug product candidate is ZM007, an oral suspension formulation of metronidazole for the treatment of acute diarrhea in small dog breeds and puppies. The company is also developing ZM012, a tablet formulation of metronidazole targeting the treatment of acute diarrhea in dogs. ZM006, a transdermal gel formulation of methimazole targeting hyperthyroidism in cats, and ZM011, a transdermal gel formulation of fluoxetine for the treatment of feline behavioral disorders, such as inappropriate urination. It has a collaboration agreement with Celsee, Inc. for the development and commercialization of liquid biopsy assays and related consumables for the detection of cancer in companion animals, and with Seraph Biosciences, Inc. for development and commercialization of novel pathogen detection system. The company was formerly known as Zomedica Pharmaceuticals Corp, and changed its name to Zomedica in October 2020. Zomedica Corp was founded in 2015 and is headquartered in Ann Arbor, Michigan. The analysts offering 12-month price forecasts for Zomedica have a median target of 0.30, with a high estimate of 0.30 and a low estimate of 0.30. The median estimate represents a minus 36.84% decrease from the last price of 0.48 on November 13th. Zomedica announced it would begin selling its promising TrueFormer point-of-care diagnostic platform, which uses patented bulk acoustic wave (BOR) technology to detect adrenal and thyroid diseases in cats and dogs, on March 30th. The product is targeted at the diagnostics segment of the pet market, which is projected to grow to $2.8 billion by 2024. The fact that some of our assays under development not only are believed to be the first ever developed for use at the point of care, but also the first ever available in veterinary medicine, is expected to be an exciting contribution to the health and treatment of our pets, Zomedica Chief Medical Officer Stephanie Morley said at the time. Zomedica's stock price gains accelerated in recent days after the company named Robert Cohen its new Chief Executive Officer on January 4th. Cohen had previously served as Zomedica's interim CEO and board director. He brings over 30 years of leadership experience in the healthcare sector, with demonstrated success in helping young companies launch new products. Pets have provided many people with much-needed companionship during the COVID-19 crisis. Rising pet adoptions during the coronavirus pandemic are helping to fuel the growth of the pet care industry. Americans will spend a record $99 billion this year on their pets, according to the American Pet Products Association. Zomedica's upcoming launch of its TrueFormer diagnostic platform appears to be coming at the perfect time, as it prepares to enter a booming market. I'm personally going to pick up some shares in this company Monday at market open, as I truly believe this stock has some nice gains ahead and just wanted to put it on your radar. It's currently priced at $0.4840 and is still in penny stock territory. As always, please do your own due diligence and remember penny stocks have a high risk, high reward, so I would advise to only invest what you can afford to lose. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description, as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.